Are you ready to transform your TikTok game to generate some serious cash? Get ready for an exciting journey filled with endless earning opportunities. Whether you're new or seasoned, TikTok's monetization options cater to all. Let's explore together and unlock your financial success on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Jean. We're back with another video, and today we're focusing on how to make money on TikTok. Make sure to stay until the end as we'll talk about creator rewards program, branded content, TikTok Live, and the TikTok Shop. Let's get started. Did you know that TikTok offers a monetization tool called Creator Rewards Program? It allows users to collect reward for publishing longer videos of 1 minute or more, featuring high quality content. It's not possible for everyone to apply to this. So currently, it's only available in the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, Japan, South Korea, France, and Brazil. Your TikTok account should be in good standing, meaning you've been following the TikTok's community guidelines and terms of service. It's also important to note that you should be 18 years old, at least, and have 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Only personal accounts are eligible. Business accounts and accounts associated with political or government organization won't qualify. You can only use original content that aligns with TikTok's mission of inspiring joy and creativity. And finally, you should not violate TikTok's community guidelines in any way. If you're eligible, according to all those details, you should definitely try to apply. Now, let's talk about branded content. If you're able to meet all the criteria, you can decide to join the TikTok Creator Marketplace. If you're an ambitious creator who would love to collaborate with brands, it may be the right landing place for you. Creator Marketplace is the TikTok official collaboration platform to connect brands and creators on TikTok. With the Creator Marketplace, you can collaborate with brands for paid campaigns or some affiliate programs. Once you meet all the eligibility requirements, you may be invited to join, or you can apply for Creator Marketplace. Then, you can set a starting rate for sponsored videos. You will get a notification if there are some brands that will send you an invitation to collaborate. If you decide to collaborate with a brand, we suggest that you discuss with them on all the video details, including the shooting location, the wardrobe, the number of reshoots, and the payment details. The clearer and more detailed your preparation is, the happier your collaboration brand will be. If you're looking for more ways to earn by creating video and cannot yet apply to the Creator Marketplace, regular branded content can be the path worth exploring. TikTok defines branded content as any video you make that promotes a specific brand, goods, or service in exchange for something of value from a third party. This includes brand endorsements, partnership, or some other kind of special promotion for a product or a service. You don't have to go through TikTok service to work with brands. You can establish deals outside of the platform too. Creating branded content is very similar to what a lot of influencers and content creators do on YouTube, for example. But just like you were using the TikTok Creator Marketplace, you need to make sure that all the details of your cooperation with a brand are clear. Now, let's talk about TikTok Live. TikTok Live is another great way to make money on the platform. TikTok's unique feature allows followers to express appreciation through virtual gift in real time. Live gifting on TikTok serves as a valuable tool for creators seeking to monetize their content through their live stream. Interacting with your audience in real time helps to forge a strong relationship with your fans. When followers feel connected to a creator, they are more likely to have a personal investment in their success, potentially boosting other revenue streams as well. For creators and online sellers alike, live streaming offers a chance to showcase product effectively. Some e-commerce retailers have found that TikTok Live attracts more attention from potential buyers compared to live features on other social media platforms. If you want to live stream on TikTok, it's quite easy. 1. Type the create icon. 2. Swipe to live on the navigation. 3. Hit go live to start the party. You can have regular live events, and this way you will be able to build a good following. Besides creating content and doing lives, you can also think about doing a TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is an in-app feature that allows users to buy product directly from sellers through in-feed videos, lives, and the Showcase tab. It also helps with product discovery, product details, checkout, and post-payment activities all within the TikTok app. TikTok Shop is basically an all-in-one shopping experience inside the app for those that don't want to leave the platform while browsing. There are a few reasons why using TikTok Shop could be a good move for you. First, the brand partnerships. You can connect to leading brands through TikTok Shop and build potential long-term commercial collaboration opportunities. Also, it gives you access to exclusive features. You can receive exclusive and early access to new features by creating your TikTok Shop. Let's not forget the ability to generate earnings. You can generate affiliate earnings from products sold through your account via TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is definitely a great way to improve your income. So here we are. TikTok offers some great potential to generate some income. The Creator Reward Program can be tough to access if you're just a beginner, but you can still monetize your content in other ways. And doing lives can be a great choice. The TikTok shop also offers some nice opportunities, especially if you're just starting. So think about giving it a try. Let us know in the comment if you have some questions about TikTok, or if you'd like to see a video on a specific topic, and we'll get back to you. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful, and as always, happy dropshipping.